Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you change currency on Pandabuy. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Pandabuy. So once you have on your page here, like on your Pandabuy page here, so if you scroll down, if you search for any product here, so if you see the currency will be by default will be in yuan. So that's the Chinese currency. So it's in China currency, so yuan, Chinese yuan. So here, so what you can do, you can actually convert these to US dollars, so change the currency. To do that, it's pretty easy. So what you have to do is on your top right here, you'll see an option called language. So click on that, and then here underneath the language, you'll see an option called currency. So currency, you have the option to change it to US dollars. So all you have to do is just simply click on it. So once you click on it and click OK, so here now you can see that all these prices here have now been converted to US dollars. So you can this much. So if you see, it's now all changed to US dollars. So you can now proceed with US dollars. So that's how you can change currency on Pandabuy. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.